First thing when you see this, it's probably the gear in the back. What that drives, just watch this. When you turn the gear, full rotation, I'm gonna get real slow. Just falls right out like that. Now what just fell out was this. This is just like a square plate. This is just basically a vending machine that does that. Like, I can put my hand under there and and after you rotate all of them, when it gets down to like the last three, see it would bounce around in there? Just get stuck like that. And now how I got it to go forward like that was because of this. It's a coil. I actually got from a special mechanical pencil. Like, you know, like those yellow ones that kind of look like the real pencils? I broke the top off and got this out of it. That was really hard to do. And as you saw me just like take it out right like that, it's really cool because I got the idea in class when I was in school, because I'm in middle school. During math class, I always get my ideas for Legos during math class. It's weird. And so like I was thinking of this, and then I thought of a pencil, mechanical pencil. So yeah, basically it. So I broke the mechanical pencil apart, stripped it of its lead, put the lead in one of my other mechanical pencils, which is totally awesome. I have to show it. No! Oh well. Gives you a basic idea. Bye.